Professor Spectrum, experts in spectral technology.
The Olympus Delta comes with its own unique stand. To set it up, place it on its side and open up the levers. From here you can pull out the legs. To secure the legs in place, close the levers again. Next, you can place it in its upright position. Grab the nose plate and secure by tightening the screws on the side. It is secure if it doesn't move. Next, go back to the stand and rotate the nose plate into place. Plug in the cord at the back for radiation safety. From there, your stand is set up and ready to go.